This video is on traffic and transportation rules. All questions here is objective type. It's a mini question bank, you can say, and this is set number 8. Approximately 30 question it will come here, and this questions is important for all kind of railway departmental exam like GDCE, LDCE. Friends, please note our questions and answer are currently updated. I tried my level best to give most of the questions and answers as correct as possible. So my today first question is, a station diary or charge book is required to be preserved for how many days it should be preserved as a record? The correct answer is 1 year. For 1 year it should be preserved, station diary or charge book. Next question. Crank handle testing must be carried out by each and every SM and ASM once in a crank handle used at stations. So it should be tested once in a month. Once in 1 month it should be tested. Once in a month. Crank handle should be tested once in a month. Here what are the questions I am giving? These questions is important for AOM exam, SM exam, guards exam, section controller exam. My next question. Before an employee takes independent charge of a post connected with train working for the first time, the pickup period is generally laid down for junction station with marshalling yard and lobby is, what should be the pickup time? Pickup period, that is 10 days. 10 days before taking independent, he has to take time for 10 days as a training. Next question. Attaching of vehicles on a train in a predetermined manner to ensure train safety, provide operational expediency, and to maximize customers' convenience is, what is this? This is actually marshalling. This is a marshalling for attaching of vehicles on a train in a predetermined manner to ensure train safety, provide operational expediency. So this is marshalling. Next question. How many dead locomotives can be attached with mail express or passenger trains? How many dead locomotives can be attached with mail, express and passenger train? It's a kind of marshalling only. Only one we can attach. In case of mail or express or passenger train, we can attach only one dead loco. Only one dead loco we can attach. Next question. Vehicle code for Bogie dining car is, vehicle code for Bogie dining car. Here friends, whatever the name is there, railway using just opposite code. Here dining car. So dining car, this is, it should be DC, but railway is using CD, just opposing the. In most of the cases we see this, they are opposing this. So for dining car, CD. Next question. The term loco outage, very important question. The term loco outage means the average number of loco available to traffic use in a, very important friends, in 24 hours. In a 24 hours. The term loco outage means the average number of loco available to traffic use in a 24 hours. That is loco outage in a 24 hours. How many loco may be out in 24 hours, that is loco outage. The RO scheme was first introduced in, important question and asked in various examination. The RO scheme was first introduced in Konkan Railway. Roll on, roll off. Actually, railway loading the trucks on the trains and unloading the same at the destination, and the trucks should going to the party directly. So this is our RO system, which is started in Konkan Railway first. Next, those ODC loads which has a gross clearance of 22.86 centimeter and above are called. ODC is very important for traffic point of view. So in our maximum sets I am giving one questions. This is C class ODC. Gross clearance of 22.86 centimeter and above, that is C class ODC. Who is the head of Central Control Office? Central Control Office available in division. Who is the head of that Central Control Office? That is Chief Controller. Chief Controller is the head. Under the Chief Controller only controllers, deputy controllers, they are working. For administrative head, senior DOM is the administrative head. Next question. Traffic corridor block is mentioned in. Traffic corridor block is mentioned in working timetable, WTT. Traffic corridor block is mentioned in working timetable, that is WTT. Next question. The statistical formula is generally used to calculate WTR is wagon turnaround. What is the statistical formula used to calculate wagon turnaround, WTR? The formula is T is equal to S divided by L plus R. T, that is wagon turnaround, is equal to S divided by L plus R. Next question. As per safety categorization, operating staffs can be categorized into, in how many categories they will be categorized? As per safety categorization, operating staffs can be categorized into 4 classes. 4 classes. In Rajbhasha also all railway employees are categorized in 4 classes. Here in traffic also 4 classes. Next question. In safety categorization, out of 100 marks, how many marks allotted for knowledge of rules? So some marks is allotted for different things. So in safety categorization, in out of 100 marks, 25 marks allotted for knowledge of rules. 25 marks, 1/4. Next question. Safety categorization of Group D staff will be done by. Safety categorization of Group D staff will be done by Station Master, SM. SM is eligible for categorization of Group D staff. So the correct answer is Station Master. Next question is also related with this. Safety categorization of SMs. So the question is, safety categorization of all SMs will be done by whom? Safety categorization of Group D staff will be done by SM. Then who is doing for SMs? That is Traffic Inspector, TI. TI of that section, they are categorizing the SMs. Whether he is in A or B or C or D. Next question. Plotting of all train. Plotting of all trains movements in a time and distance chart by section controller is called plotting of all train movements in a time and distance chart by section controller is called charting. Charting, very important question, and charting is the best method to know the line capacity of any section. So this is the charting. Next question, short section of insulated and dead overhead equipments. Short sections of insulated and dead overhead equipment which separates the area fed by adjacent substations or feeding posts means neutral section. Neutral section. The correct answer is neutral section. In between two substations. The first type of interlocking. Railway started interlocking while it was the demand of increasing the speed. So at that time, what was the first type of interlocking? The answer is mechanical interlocking. Mechanical interlocking was the first type of interlocking. After that, RRI, SSI, so many things came, but the mechanical interlocking was the first one. Next question. What is the name of the equipment based on microprocessor which logs the events occurring in the signal functions of a yard chronologically with date and time? The answer is data locker. Suppose what time SM clearing signal, what time train started and passed this. So all this kind of recording available here in time wise. That is data logger. It is based on microprocessor and logs the events occurring in the signaling function of yards. One of the important equipment right now. Next, what is the full form of AWS? What is the full form of AWS? I think most of our viewers, they know very well. That is auxiliary warning system. Auxiliary warning system. AWS is an auxiliary warning system. Next question. Relay rooms and block instruments to be logged with dash locks. Relay rooms and block instruments to be logged with dash locks. With how many locks? The answer is 2 locks. Relay rooms and block instruments to be logged with 2 locks. I requested our viewers to kindly give comments. Your comments will definitely boost up me to make more videos. Next question, color of main signal button on panel. What the panel used by SM? So for main signal, what color used? That is red. For main signal, the button color should be red. Very important. Next, color of shunt signal button. Answer is hidden in question itself. What is the color I used for writing this question? That is yellow. So shunt signal button is yellow color. Main signal button with red color and shunt signal buttons on panels with yellow color. Next question, which button is used for emergency route release? I see in last 2 questions the color of button. Now I am asking which button is used for emergency route release? The answer is EUUYN button. EUUYN button used for emergency route release. Next question, SWR contains dash parts. SWR, Station Working Rules. SWR contains dash parts. The answer is 12 parts. SWR contains 12 parts. Next question. Which appendix of SWR deals with the working of level crossing gates? In SWR there are some appendix is there. So Appendix A of SWR deals with the working of level crossing gates, LC gates. Appendix A. Dash and signal section and SSE signal will be the overall in charge of NI working at a station during minor work. If any station, any NI work is going on, that is minor work, then who will be the overall in charge? The traffic inspector, TI and SSE signal. TI and SSE signal for minor non-interlocked work. Then who will be the major? That is next question. During major work, dash will be the overall in charge of NI working for both safety and operation. For minor work, TI and SSE signal. For major work, for NI major work, senior DOM and DOM. He will be the overall in charge of safety and operations. Permissible flat on wheel of goods stock is up to dash mm. Permissible flat tire on wheel of goods stock is up to dash mm. Flat tire. In goods stock, permissible flat tire is 60 mm. In goods, it's a 60 mm. For coaching, it's a 50 mm. And for loco also, it's a 50 mm. So here question is goods. For goods, this is 60 mm. Next question. During derailments, the gauge of the track to be checked under the load and for a distance of dash meters on either side of POM if the cause is indisputably known. If cause known without any dispute, so up to how much distance we should check the track? The answer is 45 meter. 45 meter. Very, very important question. Thanks friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel for more videos. Also click on notification button so that whenever I will upload the video, you are able to get the notification immediately. And the very important thing is your comment is important for me. What the comment will do, they will guide me so that how can I make the video much better. For this only I am asking to give comments. Thank you.